My name is Amy Delaney and I work at Pacific Continental Bank.
My name is Tyler Behringer and I work at Emerald PUD.
My name is Mario Conte. I work at Hirschner Hunter. I give.
I give.
I give because I feel like helping out in the community and giving your time just a little can make a huge difference.
I give because my parents raised me to believe that I could make a difference, and I want my children to grow up knowing that every minute and every penny counts.
My parents taught me to give by adopting 8 children and fostering numerous others simply because they had the means.
I give so I can help make our community a better place by helping it be stronger, safer, and healthier for everyone.
I give to the Basic Fund because I believe United Way can distribute those funds, those dollars to the specific organizations that can make the most change for our community, and that gives me and my wife quite a bit of hope.
I give because I grew up in a poor family, single mom and a little brother, and I was a recipient of faceless people giving donations, and I give back now, kind of paying it forward.
I give to United Way because it brings the community together to creatively solve its problems.
I give.
I give.
I give.
I give.